Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Fort Knox Company, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to switch out your cabin air filter on your vehicle. I'm going to show you here on this 4Runner, but it's pretty much the same for all your vehicles. It's going to start with looking into the glove box. I'll show you here where it should be located and a couple different things that you might find when you open up your glove box and how to get to the compartment where the air filter is held. So coming into your vehicle here, the cabin air filter is usually held somewhere behind the glove compartment. This right here in the 4Runners, they're pretty easy to get to. They have this little door right here that you actually hit the tabs on. Pops right here. And then this is usually what it looks like in almost all vehicles, is some type of door that you pinch on the sides and you pop off the cover, and it actually reveals the air filter behind. Now there's a couple different options that you might see inside your vehicles. In the trucks and even some of the compact cars, there'll be a cable that attaches here on the side that you have to either like push and then pull out. On the Kia that I've done it before, you have a little tab that you turn and it allows the door to fall down. In my truck, it has a cable right here that is under tension. You have to release it and then open it up. But ultimately you're trying to get behind the glove compartment to find this door. And then this is usually a push tab and it just pops right out. Then you can slide your air filter out. You can just pull it out here like that. You can see already it's got a lot of dirt and debris that it catches. They usually have airflow, which means like the airflow is going down because it's kind of sucking it down through the cab. So you can put it in the proper direction. Usually it's the way you'd be sitting is the way you'd be reading it, but it also does have an arrow to show which airflow, what direction will be going. Up here, you can see all the dirt and stuff it's catching. So we're gonna replace that with one of these. I'll put links for a couple of these down in the description. I'll put one specifically for this 4Runner, maybe like the Ram trucks, some of the compact cars, but you can click on the link and then you can match it up to your car, and you can find these on Amazon and you can have them at your house same day, next day, and save yourself some money by doing it yourself. And you might not think how dirty these things really get, but you can see the color difference between the new one and the old one and all the stuff it's catching. It really does make a huge difference filtering that air into your cab. It's gonna make your experience driving change, maybe like $7 to $10 per filter. So it's not a huge cost, but something that you can do every few months, every 6 months, depending on where you live and how dusty it is. But something I highly recommend, because a lot of people don't know that you can do this, and you start getting that dirty, musty kind of smell inside the cab. It's usually because this thing is never being changed and it's just catching all this dirt and you're breathing that in, and it's just reducing the ability to filter it. So replace these often and you can change your experience driving, having some clean air. We'll go ahead and put this new one back in. Goes in just like it came out. Put our cover back on. That's there. This cover goes back on. And we're done. Simple as that. That's how easy it can be, guys. I wanted to show you a quick little video straight to the point, showing you something that you can do yourself, save yourself some money. I know a lot of times at the car dealerships, they'll offer you while you're doing your service, your oil change, like if you want this filter changed or that filter swapped out. These filters cost maybe $7 to $10. You don't have to pay $20, $30, $40 at the dealership. So it's definitely something that you can do yourself, and you can also do it in just a couple minutes. It's really quick. Not a big hit to the bank, and it will change your experience inside the vehicle because now you got some clean air that you're breathing. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you've considered maybe subscribing, I got a lot of DIY stuff on the channel. I do a lot of construction, home renovations, DIY projects around the house, different things on vehicles. So if you're interested in any of that, please consider subscribing. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next build.